Hello and welcome to theprofitroom.com. Please hit the subscribe button and also the like. You are watching a live trade of us trading Beyond Meat earnings. Yes, Beyond Meat had earnings and we traded the after effects. If you look at the chart right now, we drew two lines. It's in a channel. Now a channel has support and a channel has a resistance. And based off of those support and resistance lines, it can either break up or it can either break down. We use a lot of factors into consideration and we anticipate that the stock price is going to go lower. So we buy put options. If you watch our videos in the past, we explained that put options prices higher as the stock price goes lower. This is a great opportunity for you to make money on both sides of the market. So when you look at this currently, we are buying contracts and we're adding. We have a total of 15 contracts right now. 15 contracts may be a lot to a newbie, but since we've been trading for many years, we like to get in a little bit heavier so we can have a big reward. This trade is also called live in our trading room. So our students and as well as our subscribers can follow along in this trade. You don't need 15 contracts, you can have one or two, but we based all of our trades off of technical analysis and tell our subscribers as well as our students where we can anticipate the price to go to. Currently, we are fighting a support area, which is a moving average, but we see that the sellers are coming in. Now, how do we see that? We take a lot of factors into consideration when we trade. So we just don't take the trade based off of the chart that we see here. We continue to add. Now we have 20 contracts. Now, why do we add more contracts? Is because that we have a little bit more clarity in this trade where we can anticipate a nice flush, a nice drop in the price. As you see, the bars are starting to turn red, and we're coming back to another area where buyers came in, which is fine because we're looking at a big picture to determine where we're going to exit out of this trade. That's the beauty behind candlesticks and technical analysis. As you see earlier, after the earnings report, Beyond Meat price spiked very, very high, which was great. But what goes up must come down. Not all the time, but based on technical analysis, you can anticipate when the price will go lower. So as you see, we're still fluctuating a little bit. That little other support area pushed back up. Perfectly fine. We've seen this thousands and thousands of times. And this is what we train our students to stay in trades for a period of time. Don't overreact. Trust the trade setup. Now, as you start to notice, it's starting to come down a little bit more. Now, the beauty behind trading like this, it helps you build a discipline. The more that you see these trades play out, the more comfortable you feel in the trade and actually leveling up. If you're in this trade and only one or two contracts is still great. Is still fine. But as you advance over months and years, you should be adding more and more contracts so you don't have to stay in the trade as long as you had before, so you can make the money a little bit faster. So as you see, we come to a standstill and we have some amazing profits. We're at $900. This is great. Like we tell our newbies before, if you're in the trade and you're up even $100 or $300, take the money. This was the move we're looking for. It did a quick flash and drop. That means that the selling pressure came in very, very heavy. Now, what is selling pressure? Selling pressure is individuals like you and me who are taking profits, right? They made some nice money on Beyond Meat. So, hey, I'm starting to sell. This is great profits that we have here. Amazing profits that we have here. And as we continue to see this trade work out, we don't want to leave yet. We want to trade because we want this trade to get to our target. Now, we gave our target earlier in our trading room. So our students and our subscribers are waiting for that target to hit. Now, this is amazing profits right here. As you see, we start to scale out. Now we have about 5 contracts left. We're up $1,700, and so far it's been around 20 minutes. Amazing controlled trade. I can't stress that enough, controlled trade. So in the beginning, we were down about 2 to 350, right? If you were probably in 1 or 2 contracts, you wouldn't be down as much, but the reward comes. The reward comes. And we was able to make $2,000 in this trade. Amazing profits. So this is what we teach our students how to do. Now, if you look here now, we go to our live trading room and we show the profits that we made. As you see, we had a chart up there showing ahead of time where we wanted the profits to go. And everyone in our team was able to benefit from this trade. So you want to trade with us? You want to learn how to be able to create generational wealth through the financial markets? Come over to theprofitroom.com. Education, application, and success. And I'll see you in the Profit Room.